Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set makes garlic preparation quick, easy, and mess-free. Its ergonomic handle helps crush and mince garlic with less hand strain, while the included silicone garlic peeler and cleaning brush make prep and cleanup more convenient. The rust-resistant design is durable and dishwasher-safe, making it a practical kitchen gadget for everyday cooking, sauces, marinades, and dressings. Simple to use and built to last, our premium quality garlic press is constructed from food-grade, rust-resistant materials meant to be among your favorite kitchen gadgets for years to come. This garlic and ginger mincer is designed with built-in studs to extract more paste within seconds. It is great for both professional and home kitchens. Crush and mince unpeeled cloves, no more strong garlic odor or sticky residue lingering on your hands. Our garlic mincer is designed with a comfortable ergonomic handle that requires minimal effort on your wrists and hands to peel, crush, and mince the cloves in one go, yielding delicious garlic paste while the peels stay in the chamber. Easy to clean, simply rinse your garlic and ginger press tool under running water or place it in the dishwasher for thorough cleaning. We recommend rinsing the garlic crusher right after use to avoid residual pulp and fibers hardening up. Hassle-free, Zulay guarantee. We love and take pride in our ginger and garlic press and back this up with a lifetime warranty. We offer an incredible value at a moderate price and are confident that you'll love our garlic grinder.